All right, I'm gonna go over question 2 in this one. Okay. Number 2 says there's two four-sided dice. Okay, I know they're green and blue. Okay, but their colors, it doesn't really matter because what you're doing is rolling the dice. Okay, so when it says to draw a tree diagram or a table, I'm gonna go with the tree diagram here. When I roll the first dice, I have 4 choices. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. When I roll the second dice, I have 4 choices there too. Okay, so I'm gonna write 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 for each of these. Okay, so the first row shows us what we can get if we roll the green dice. And then the second part here shows what we get if we roll the blue dice. Okay. All right. How many total outcomes are there? There are a total of, when you count all the ones, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 groups of 4. So I have 16 outcomes in total. What is the probability that the sum of the two dice is greater than 5? So the sum has to be greater than 5, not 5. Okay, so I'm gonna go and circle the ones that add up to 5. Okay, 1 plus 1, no. 1 plus 4, no. 2, 2, 2, 3, no. 2 and 4, there's 1 here. 3 plus 3 and 3 plus 4, so there's 2. 4 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 4. So there was 1 here, 2 here, and 3 here. So there are a total of 6 out of 16 outcomes for that one. Okay, and there's also, what is the probability of that the sum of the two dice is 4. Okay, now that we want the sum to be exactly 4. So if I have a 1, the second one must be 3 to get a 4. 2 and 2, 3 and 1. There's no chances of us getting a sum of 4 if I already roll a 4 my first time. Okay, so there's a total of 1, 1, and 1, a total of 3 out of 16. Okay, last one. What is the probability that the same number is the outcome on both dice? So what is the probability of rolling the same number twice? Okay, so there's always going to be 1 here because 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4. So total of 4 chances out of 16 different outcomes. I can reduce this into 1 over 4. And that is my final answer. Okay, so this question, some of you are confused because we had a green and a blue die, but okay, we're rolling die here. First outcomes that I have rolling the green dice is 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, so instead of starting with green, blue, okay, you're starting with what you can get from rolling this die, the first die, and then you extend out the probability of all the different things you can get rolling the second die.